Hi, first grade. This is my patience rock, and I've had to use it more than ever these days. I'm gonna hold it on my heart. Patience helps me wait calmly and do some trusting. Well, today we're gonna talk about recording in our science notebook. We're gonna record what we communicate. Can you read that word? Communicate. It's a lot of syllables. Maybe you want to clap it. Communicate. We're going to record what we communicate in our science notebooks. Miss Ha made her special with some stickers. Maybe you have stickers or some special crayons or colored pencils you'd like to decorate your notebook with. And last year I had a lot of notebooks. I had one just for your class. But now I just have one notebook and then I just use it again and again and again. And I think that's going to be just fine for you. Now, last week we were using whiteboards, and I love whiteboards and markers. They're a little more temporary. That means they disappear after a while. They don't stay forever. So maybe write down an idea or a map or a picture, but we erase it afterwards, right? The reason I want to record in a notebook today is because I want to see what I've recorded in the past. I want to keep a journal of my thinking. I want to have a special place for my ideas that I can look at again and again and again. And I can add to it so it grows over time. That's what we're going to do in science together this year. We're always going to be using our notebook so we can go back to what we've learned. Now, this is from the past, and you can see this is from September 15th, 2020. And I put the heading Science. And the question is the question that was above the smartboard in the classroom, which is, what did you notice in your body? Or what did you visualize? And here were some of your ideas. Maybe you recognize this page. Maybe you were in this class. Now, I like looking through my notebook because this is work from kindergartners, first graders, second graders, third graders, fourth graders, and fifth graders. And there's questions, birthday messages, labels, diagrams. It's my special place where I record. And today we're going to do that together. So I invite you to come look at my notebook. And the first thing I do is I find what I call the next available page. And that means the next page that's not used. See, there's a caterpillar there. See, I did some writing there. I did some drawing there. These are used. These are used. This is actually even used. That's as far as we got in kindergarten. So this is my next available page. Find your next available page. Now I'm going to write the date. Well, actually, I'm going to write the heading, which is science. S, C, I, E, N, C, E. Science. That's how you spell science. Now record the date. For me, it's September, which is a 9, 21st, 2020. And I just want to share with you what we talked about in class earlier. We were reading this book, A Handful of Quiet, Happiness in 4 Pebbles by Thich Nhat Hanh, who is a monk, and he likes to talk about peace. And we found 4 pebbles just like the 4 pebbles that we described here. And as you can see, we have a flower, a mountain, calm water, and space. And I had some rocks from home. Maybe you have some rocks from home or crystals that we can use. And what we're going to practice doing today is recording what we observe. So you're going to draw those rocks and label them. I'll do one very quickly so you can see. I trace mine because I have that with me. If you have one, you can trace it. If you don't have one, no worries, you just draw it. And I'm gonna label a flower because one of my first graders said they think this tan one looks most like a flower. So here is a sketch of it and then the label of flower. If you also have something like colored pencils or crayons, please use them while you're communicating and add as many details as possible. Thanks, see you in Zoom, bye.